The children ask me to cook it daily. Cut a large circle from the puff pastry sheet. Place the dough on the baking tray. Cut the remaining dough. Prick with a fork and sprinkle with sugar. Bake the cake layer and place it in the cake ring. Pour whipping cream into the bowl. Add powdered sugar and vanilla sugar. Mix into a firm cream. Place a layer of cream on the pastry cake layer. Cut a few pieces of peeled oranges. Place the oranges in the saucepan. Blend with a blender. Boil the orange pulp with sugar. Pour in starch diluted in water and boil for another 10 minutes. Spread the cream with cooled orange jam. Place the second layer of cream and level with a spatula. Add orange jam and refrigerate the tray for 1 hour. Cut a large circle from puff pastry. Cut the dough into pieces. Separate the pieces and place on the baking tray. Sprinkle with sugar and bake for 20 minutes. Pour coffee into the cup. Add milk. In a little water, dissolve sugar, cocoa, vanilla essence, and nutmeg. Pour the syrup into the cup. Mix the whipping cream. Fill the cup with whipped cream. Sprinkle with dark chocolate and decorate with cinnamon. Cover the cake with pieces of baked puff pastry. Crumble the remaining baked dough. Sprinkle the edges of the cake with dough crumbs and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Follow our steps and enjoy the most delicious cake with an intense taste and orange aroma.